Hey, this is Bucky, and this is my physics group's pontoon boat thing that we made. This is entirely made out of cardboard and duct tape. So the objectives of this assignment, this was for my physics class, the objectives of this were to make a boat that floats, and we will be taking it over to a recreation center in my city that has a swimming pool in it, and we will have a race between other people in the class and in another class, I think. So we're having a few classes have this race. So what this is just kind of a pontoon boat. This is 25 pounds exactly, well, give or take, just a little bit. So the goal of this assignment was to make a boat that was less than, or that was 25 pounds or less. So we were right on the money there. If you have a boat that weighs more than that, you get penalized by 2 seconds on your overall time for every 5 pounds over you go. So we might get penalized 2 seconds. But hey, we're going to float. We're not going to sink. So you have to fit 3 people in there. And then you can have the rest of your group outside pushing if you want. We have 5 people in our group, so we're going to have 3 people in there. One person at like 110 pounds. Another person, sorry about the bird in the background. Another person is like 130 pounds, that's me. And the last guy will be, I think he's 150 or so pounds. So we'll have to race this, and then we'll have the 2 bigger guys in the background, or in the back, pushing. So I'll just give you a little overview of the boat. We have this big treadmill box that we have cut down. We cut it about right here, and then when this thing was double this size, so make this thing all together double the size, double the length about. So we cut it right here, right where you see that line right there, and we pushed it together and duct taped it, so it's all put together now. My camera's being all funky now, and my bird's going wild in the background. And then we cut it in half right there and pushed it together, so that we have a boat that's about 165 centimeters long by 65 centimeters wide. These pieces right here are not attached in. These are just to provide support and can be moved around to wherever we need the support when the boat starts getting wet and starts falling apart, because this will fall apart. Quiet. And so both those are detachable. This is duct taped by 3 pieces right here. Both pontoons are like that. And then underneath, I'm not going to show you guys, but that is duct taped on the bottom with strips like that, only they're about spaced 2 inches apart, 5 centimeters or so. And so same thing on this side. These pontoons are totally duct taped all the way around. What those are is they are right here. There's no cardboard here. That's just tape. Here's my cat, wanting to be a part of the video. So those parts are not duct tape. Those are not cardboard. They're just duct tape, so they're not solid. And then this part right here, that's duct tape, right? Or that's duct tape and cardboard, which is a concrete tubing. It's the cardboard that you pour concrete into when you're doing posts. So those each are about 5 pounds each, so that's 10 of the pounds, and then the rest is in the main body. I'm gonna do this real quick just to show you. Underneath, I said I wasn't gonna do this, but now I'm doing it. Okay, so it's duct taped on the bottom entirely, and there you can see how we attached the pontoons. And then as you can see, it's duct taped up to about right here, and that's just to make it so that the cardboard is not directly taped in, or is not directly getting hit by water. So there's my boat. We'll be racing it tomorrow, and I might get a video up of us racing it. So more to come.